Hi there. This is Professor Monty, and let's talk about finding the nth term of a geometric sequence. So when we look at a problem like this, we're trying to figure out the pattern here. And you may look at this and notice right away, hey, I know to get from 3 to 6, we're going to multiply by 2. Well, if I multiply that by 2, I get 12. If I multiply that by 2, I get 24. So I do see that that's the pattern. Now, if we added the same thing to get to the next term, it'd be what we call an arithmetic sequence. And I have a link. I have a video that I've done on that as well that you may want to check out. But to get there, I may say, oh, I added 3. Well, I didn't add 3 to get from 6 to 12, so it's not an arithmetic sequence, but it was geometric. We call this 2 that we're multiplying by the common ratio. So we write it as r equals 2. And it's ratio because if you take one of these terms and divide it by the term in front of it, you're going to get that number. So the ratio, we could say, oh, 6 divided by 3 was 2. Or 12 divided by 6 was 2. Or 24 divided by 12 was 2. And we get the same number each time. That shows that it's a geometric sequence. Okay, so let's build from there to get the general term or the formula for finding any of these values. All right, so think of what we did. We're going to call this first term here A. So A is equal to 3. Well, the formula A sub n for any term that we're talking about, we always start with the 3, but then we multiply it by that common ratio. And then the common ratio, well, how many times do we multiply it by? Well, we multiply it to get to the second term, we only multiplied it once. To get to the third term, we only multiplied it twice. And to get to the fourth term, we multiplied it 3 times. So it's 1 less than the number of the term. The number of the term being n, 1 less than that is n minus 1. So it's the common ratio to the n minus 1. And that's actually my formula. We can just check one of these. Let's say A sub 4 would be 3 times 2 to the 4 minus 1, which is 3 times 2 cubed, which is 3 times 8, which is 24, which is what we said that term was. So the general formula, A sub n, is that first term A, you can call it A sub 1 if you like, times the ratio to the n minus 1 power. So there's my general formula. Let's erase this a little bit so that we can see it a little bit better. This was my A sub 4. But that's the idea. That's the formula. We just plug it in. We don't have any simplifying to do or anything else. And we're done. All right. So hopefully that helped you. Get these done. Move on to the next material. They're kind of fun to do, little formulas for us. But other than that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that so you can find other videos that I make. Give me a suggestion in the comments. If you've got a video you'd like to see that you don't see that I've made yet, I'll be happy to do it. Okay. With that, keep going, work hard, and you're going to get this.